Yeah, if you're wondering what is that expression, Gayatri Babu is doing pokery. She's doing something else there when I'm talking here. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಈ ಪಾಪು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಳು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I have got lunch, but I can't eat because somebody gave me some task. Somebody is pinging on Teams and I have to attend that call now. Sad life. I'm always in a hurry to drink coffee. I burnt my tongue. Now it's burning. Now I think I'll be tasteless for some time. The taste goes off when your tongue burns, right? That's going to be my condition now. Coffee that I made, it's okayish, not like as good as what Guruji makes. She's saying she also likes Sona Masuri. She doesn't like this rice much. It seems she didn't like this much. Hiring this cook was the best decision of my life. ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಳು. ಇಡೀ ಊರಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು. What's up everyone? Welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. The time is 10:30. It's 20 minutes ahead and I just woke up. And Guruji woke up before me around 7:45 because the cook came early today and he told her what to make and all that. And then the baby woke up. He made breakfast for baby and he fed the baby. And I was sleeping all this while. Thanks, Guruji. And this one is doing pokery with all things fela ke ghar mein. For breakfast, I think we had got idli dosa batter, so she made dosa and there is sambar. Are you ready to see the sambar? ಇಡೀ ಊರಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಳು. ಇಡೀ ಊರಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು. ಓ ಹಲೋ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಬಾರ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೇವೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಇವಳಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗಿ, ಉಳ್ದದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿ. So my mother always says, "Ek rashi kama sakur chikanchi mono curl mono." Same is my condition. I have so much work to do. I don't know which to do. Household work. Ayyo. Then I have to make rice. I forgot to tell the cook to make rice. So I have to make rice. I have to put the clothes to wash. I have to wash. I have to dry them. And then now I didn't have breakfast yet. The time is around 11:45. Yeah, in others terms it is lunch directly. I think I am unknowingly following intermittent fasting. But no, intermittent fasting you should stop eating at 7 p.m.
Okay.
I eat till 1 in the night. Midnight cravings. I ate cashews, mango and all nonsense. Hide and seek biscuit at 1 in the night yesterday. That's not intermittent fasting. No. Intermittent fasting, you have to stop eating at 6 7 p.m. in the evening, and next tomorrow you have to eat at 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. that way. 16 hours of fasting you do in that. Okay, first पेट पूजा करते हैं. Let's eat dosa, sambar and peanut chutney from ID. Peanut chutney is very good. Let me show you my plate. That's the sambar, that's the dosa, that's the peanut chutney. The peanut chutney is very good. I love peanuts. Also, if you're watching the video without hitting that subscribe button, go hit it now. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I upload one long video every week and shots almost daily. Don't miss out on that. Also, you can encourage me and support me by hitting that like button and also the hype button. So please do that. Thank you so much. Guruji woke up at 7:45 today, right? So he slept when the baby slept now. So baby slept around about 12 p.m. So he slept along with her. He's sleeping there. So that way she'll also sleep for some time. I made rice, the same ukade the red rice, no brown rice for lunch. I put it in cooker and it has gone for 5 whistles. Now again I have to keep it for another hour, and after that I have to take another 2 whistles. So I asked my nanny. I had given her that rice yesterday along with sambar, along with the some sabzi she only had made. So I asked her how did she like it. So she's saying, दीदी अच्छा नहीं था, फीका फीका लगा मुझे. So she's saying she also likes Sona Masuri. She doesn't like this rice much. It seems she didn't like this much. I said we only eat this. Time is around 1:15. I made myself coffee because Guruji slept. So, and I am very sleepy. I cannot process anything. I cannot work. So I thought I'll make myself coffee. No, I'm not drinking in this big glass. It's just half the quantity. I'm not able to show you. The quantity is just half. Yeah, I am a coffee person. I can drink such big glass of coffee for sure, I guess. And I don't drink light coffee. It needs to be strong. I go to restaurants and say strong coffee madi sir, strong coffee madi. And if when they bring that coffee, if it is light, I tell them, sir, for decoction haki kodi sir. The coffee that I made, it's okayish, not like as good as what Guruji makes. He will disagree, but he makes the best coffee. जीभ जोड़न गेली खरमा दीन. I am always in a hurry to drink coffee. I burnt my tongue. Now it's burning. Now I think I'll be tasteless for some time. The taste goes off when your tongue burns, right? That's going to be my condition now. Such an ass I am. Yep, so time for some office work. Some mala, I have to do lot of office work because too much kind of spending. Hmm. And somebody has changed something in the database because of which I am blocked. Because of somebody else's changes, you are blocked. And yesterday night onwards, I'm facing the same thing. That's my lunch rice, sambar, and no lunch without crunch chakuli. So this is our work setup. I sit here, he sits there. I sit here. So earlier I used to sit in the hall. That was working out for me because if we have calls together, then it's very difficult. Sit in the hall. He used to sit in this room. But after that, now that we have a baby, she pulls everything down. So sitting in the hall is not possible. So then we shifted to the same room. But then when we have calls together, that's another mess. I've got lunch, but I can't eat because somebody gave me some task. Somebody's pinging on Teams and I have to attend that call now. Sad life. Office work was too much. So I told Guruji to take the baby down with her Didi, that is her nanny. So Guruji and baby have gone down and the nanny have gone down to play. ನಿದ್ರೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಈ ಪಾಪು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಳು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'm surviving on coffee and tea these days. Now let's do focused work because anyways I have time. So hair oiling day it is today. So I have lot of hair fall and dandruff. इतने पतले हो गए मेरे बाल. This is what is left on my head now. So what I do is I heat the oil and I apply it with cotton like this. I apply it with cotton. So if you have a lot of dandruff, a friend of mine, Shiki Vats, She had told me that heat oil and then add 2-3 drops of lemon and then rub it all over your head. Leave it overnight, bath tomorrow. Yeah, if you're wondering what is that expression, Gayatri Babu is doing pokery. She's doing something else there when I'm talking here. Uh-huh. That's her opening cooker and doing all sorts of thante pokery. Hair fall has not at all improved. Please give me suggestions in the comment section. What did you do for hair fall? If there is any magic serum or something that worked for you, please let me know in the comments. I need it. गंजी हो जाऊंगी मैं. Bandly I will become in some time if hair fall happens like this. ನನ್ನ ಮಗುಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಓ, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಲವ್, ಎಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಡನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಬಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಟನ್ and this is where I heated that oil. Be careful, it's going to be very hot sometimes. Take it and partition your hair and apply it. That way it feels good. I get the feel of how they do it in salons and parlors. No, I get that feel when I use cotton and apply oil to my hair. Yeah, I'm open to know if there are any serums. Let me know what worked for you, or if any traditional recipe or something worked for you. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to try it. But yeah, I'm extremely lazy. I'm extremely lazy to apply anything. That's why the condition of my face is like this, with so much acne marks. Otherwise, if I were to apply something very religiously, I think it would have vanished. That's the level of laziness I have. No crunch, no lunch ke chakkar mein I didn't have dinner. I didn't have any crunchy thing to eat along with dinner. So I sat and I ordered Tede Mede Kurkure. Tede Mede from Zepto. It came in 10 minutes. I delayed my dinner for Kurkure Bingo Tede Mede. Do not do like this. It's bad habit. Do not eat junk.
Okay.
Don't eat junk, Lays Kurkure stuff generally, but sometimes I eat when I crave it. So I don't know. I didn't have anything else crunchy. Chakkuli bikkuli, everything got over. So it's 10 p.m. And here are mangoes soaked in water. Tell me in the comments what jati of mango this is. Do you know? Tell me in the comments. I'm waiting for your comment. Which is this one? These are two different breeds. This is one breed and this is one breed. Tell me which is what. Mango season is here, means we should eat mango. So this is the sherry. This Kesar mango is so sweet. I love it. Two breeds which I love the most. One is Kalapadi. Another one is the sherry. The sherry is amazing. It is very thin mangoes, but it tastes super sweet. Kalapadi is my favorite because my dad's favorite it is. He brings only and only Kalapadi. He introduced me to Kalapadi mangoes. They're very tasty. They're very sweet. So I love them. During mango season, there is rain of mangoes in our house. My father rains mangoes in the house. My grandfather, Voderbettu Bhaskar Kamath, used to do the same thing, it seems. Mango season, if he had no money or money, that doesn't matter. Mangoes will come in the house no matter what. And if you are wondering what is this sound, this fan is making that sound. Like some train is going on. And without this sound, baby won't sleep. She loves this sound, looks like. See mangoes. Hi friends. Chai pilo. Same type. Hi friends. Aam khalo. I don't know how much you can see. I hope you can see. This is the sherry. And this is kesar. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಳ್ತೋಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆ. तेका कसं ते दशेरी नव्हत्या. This is too sweet. The happy hormones released because too much sugar. And then this is kesar. But then this one is okay sweet, not as sweet as dasheri. Guruji, ambekate makshidao. So that's the thing, okay? When you're eating this gutli, after finishing this, what happens is if you call somebody's name and they respond, yeah, then you say, run behind the gutli. It's some stupid game. So it's like, teasing them. I'll throw this, you run and find it where it has fallen. Go and bring it. That jobless you are. I think that's what it means. I don't know. But amba katya makshi dhama. Ambo means mango, katto means gutli, makshi means behind, dhama means run. Run behind the gutli. This is how thin the Dasheri mango's gutli is. You must have seen I had soaked mangoes in water. You must be wondering, what is this? Who soaks? Is it some nuts or something? The mango is told to be very heating in nature, ushna, and it's loaded with pesticides. So they say if you soak it in water for about 1 hour before eating, it removes that ushna, the heating hormones of the mango, and also it removes all the pesticide. So because of which you will not get throat infection. According to Ayurveda, it is for reducing ushna, and now allopathy, the Western media is also saying that you have to soak and eat. So that's all I have for this video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that like button, and don't miss to hit that bell icon. I upload one long video every week and shorts almost daily. And now I am starting to upload more videos every week, long videos. So hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And you can also hype the video and let me know all your thoughts in the comments. Give me some hair fall tips in the comments, please. I need that the most. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.